Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, unlatch the side cover and lift it off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables to remove it from the system. Identify the disk drive cage and disconnect the cables. Unlatch the cage to slide it out of the system. Flip the disk drive cage over and disconnect the cables to fully remove it from the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Plug in the disk drive cage and flip it over. Slide the cage in the system, relatch it, and reconnect the cables. Reconnect the hard drive assembly cables. Relatch the front bezel and the side cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.